Okay guys, I got a call over here for an illegal park, and we're getting a phone call, so we're gonna see if we can pick this phone call up. Okay. I'm gonna try to get it from, I'm pulling into this parking lot, and I'm gonna have to be quick. I'm sorry, you can't see what I'm doing. I know you're staring at my steering wheel. I know, I get that. But it's gonna be okay, I can promise you that as well. Because Covin is locking in to back up to a truck that's parked illegally over here on Veterans Boulevard. Because he's blocking people in that need to get to work. For whatever reason, my hydraulics have been acting up whenever I'm not on flat ground. Let's see if this remote works yet. Okay, cool. See if we can try this again. Is this you? They're calling us because it's blocking people in that are trying to go to work, is what they were.
Can I move it?
Since I'm hooked to it, you'll have to pay a drop fee since I've already got the truck backed up to it.
How much?
It's $100.
I need to pay now, and
You'd have to pay it now.
Send me the car here.
If you've got the cash, then I can drop it here.
Cash?
Yes, ma'am. They.
I have.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. If you've got that, then I'll leave it here. But you'll still have to move it because, like I said, she's calling because there's people that are. I guess you're blocking people in that are trying to go to work. Yeah, I'm sorry. They called because I guess you're blocking in these people here, and they're trying to go to work. Is what they called for.
It's okay. The people can.
I know. I don't know. Again, I'm so sorry. She just got really upset, and then she just called us. But I'm glad you caught me at least, because it would have if it went back to our lot.
Yeah.
So
I saw my mother, and it's okay.
yeah. Again, I'm sorry. I'll get it unhooked for you. Thank you. Again, I'm so glad that I caught you again, because I would hate to do that. Thank you. Again, I'm sorry. Okay guys, there's also a bear up here that is going through some trash. We're gonna see if we can scare him off. There he goes. He's still up there. Moseying off into the woods with something, I think. Careful with this bear. Okay guys, we got a call for a winch out. Let's see. Okay, looks pretty intense. I will make sure to get out and put you guys in a better spot. I'm going to park out of the way so we can at least have traffic going for a little bit. And then I'm gonna... You're good. Give me just a second, throw on a vest. Hello, yes sir. Nice to meet you, man. Covin.
This is
Are you okay?
Yeah, see, I'm even more okay to see you here.
Absolutely. Man, that's terrifying.
Yeah, I don't know, I didn't flip. I mean, and I usually have a winch, but I wouldn't even
yeah, that's
too treacherous.
that's intense. There's nobody else in the vehicle?
No.
Okay, perfect. Perfect.
No,
Is it?
When the guys help me out and then close the door, I can feel it's solidly like wedged.
Okay.
Wedged there.
Okay. Is it in park? Do you know?
It's in park right now.
In
yeah,
park?
so
Okay,
right.
perfect.
They put in park
Perfect.
as soon as it started slipping.
Right.
I hit the brake and then
Right.
I tried. I didn't know if I could.
I know.
I didn't know how far advanced I was.
Right.
So I actually tried to put it in drive and it slipped and I hit the brake and I was
Okay.
like, no, I can't.
Okay.
I'm not getting out of this.
I'm glad you're okay, man. That is terrifying.
I'd be dead.
There's no trees.
Yeah, no, that's really bad. I guess you backed into it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I could have you move, I'm probably gonna set up.
Anything I can
Whatever you got to do.
I could try to help you. I usually have a winch too, but
It's still,
Right.
It's still running too. I mean, I was gonna.
It doesn't look too horrible. Honestly, I just need to.
I'll get out of your way. But
Yeah, I'll just. What I'm more concerned with is I'll have to block traffic, and then that'll
yeah,
suck.
I can
but
do that too. I can help.
okay.
you out.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'll probably just set up right here. I'll need the whole road, so they'll be fine. I'll set up some cones up there.
Okay. Cones and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's
Not
a
right
Ranger. It's a Ranger.
It's not in the park service.
Oh, okay.
I was thinking the same thing. I almost called
I tried
him.
Marcus Purnell, and he said it's not in the park.
I almost called them, and then but I called my parents first, and they were like, "No, it's not parked." So, yeah, if you
Back over that way.
Up here.
okay, I'll just set up some cones up there. That'll be fine.
You need me to do on that.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I'll just go ahead and get set up. It shouldn't take too long. Okay guys, heading back down the bypass. I wanted to finish this one up really quick. I've only got 13% battery and I think it cuts off when it's down to 10 for some reason. Anyways, thank you Alex with Automotive Antidote for calling us on that one and making sure that that gentleman was okay and out of his vehicle. Let me roll up these windows so I don't have to scream as loud. He saw that gentleman back into that ravine and almost flip his vehicle, guys. The only thing that was stopping him from going the rest of the way is, I think, because he backed into that tree there, and that tree was kind of holding him on the road. All 4 of his wheels were off of the pavement. It was a very, very steep drop there, straight up and down. Of course, the camera's not going to do it justice, and I'm sorry that I didn't really record much of the aftermath of that one. It was kind of chaotic. We had GPD thankfully stop in. Thank you GPD so much for helping control some of that traffic and make sure that I'm not getting run over and making sure that everybody's okay. But ended up getting him out of the ditch. Once again, thank you Alex with Automotive Antidote for stopping and giving us a call and making sure that that gentleman was okay. Thank you GPD again for blocking traffic, making sure that we're okay. We got him out. Vehicle was still fine. It didn't cause any further damage to it. He was able to drive away. I got it spun around for him and sent him back down the mountain. But stick around, stay tuned, plenty more to come.